Hi, this is Milan Almeida Lindo, a former IBF light flyweight world champion, and this is
Aluzanes and the owner of the gym of Red News.
Red News.
We are going to answer some questions for clients. Yeah.
Okay, starting for the first question, how to avail sessions?
How to avail sessions is you just come to gym. Minsan is maaari na ka sa gym, pwede na ka mag-session. Prices are between 300 to 450, depends. Monthly are 2,500. We have also 10 sessions, good for 1 month, 1,900 pesos.
Are there any membership fees or add-in costs?
As of now, there's no any other membership fees, so you just need to come here in gym and you can start immediately.
What are the gym's policy for beginners?
I mean, there is no policies or requirements. It's just you just need to follow some rules. Like you don't need to hurt your comrades or your mga kauban. Listen to your coaches, and that's the requirements that needed for gym.
What are the type of sports you offer?
We are offering like Muay Thai and Milan.
Yeah, boxing.
Boxing.
Yeah, I'm the coach of boxing, and also another martial arts, Aikido.
Aikido,
Jiu-Jitsu.
Jiu-Jitsu. For the trainer of that is Alex, the CEO Warrior, and we have also others like wrestling or kickboxing.
Do you offer coaches for different sports?
Yes, of course. So specifically like boxing, Milan Melindo for the boxing, and especially also for Muay Thai, we have a certified crew here in Cebu, the only one. And yeah, he's trainer or coach or crew Robert for Cebu in Muay Thai.
Aside from sports, what else do your gym offer?
We offer also like diet plan. We have a special cook, or let me say chef for your food that we can prepare for you daily. So you can enjoy your gym with us day by day. You can just get your food at our gym.
Okay. What are the advantages of gym activities from home activities?
So first of all, the advantages are less stress, less depression, plus you are in a community, or you are with some specific friends that you can share your hobby or your
Yeah, and also you can do some exercises na you can dili mo mabuhat dito sa balay. Some drills and the bagging also, they're using the punching bag and also the other items, equipments that we can use, no? Pwede himuon diri sa gym na di mahimo dito sa balay. So dagan siya pamaagi na mas nindot diri sa gym kaysa home service. So that's it, because in a home service, and especially in boxing, you can use only the pads and other items that can be handled by the coaches. So yun lang.
Okay, describe the community here. What makes your gym unique?
So based on what I'm seeing here as a gym owner, the community that we have here are specifically that are interested in the same sport. So those people are more disciplined. They are going through life in a different way. It means more positive, and yeah.
Okay, how many times per week should we visit the gym?
I mean, for me, as a gym owner or experienced in gym or powerlifter or also in martial arts, I always recommend between minimum of 2 to 4 or 5. It depends on the time, or let me say if you have a fight, I would recommend, of course, more than yeah.
Yeah, if you're a fighter, you are joining a competition. I think you can do it 6 times in a week. But if you're only a practitioner, just like a client, you can do it 3 times. This is the best. 3 times a week. You can do it MWF or TTHS.
Is there a variety of gym equipment?
The variety of gym equipment, of course, there's bagging. We have also for circuit.
Red Iron Gladiator is different from other gyms because the equipment we will use is according for the martial arts that we teach. So even boxing, so we need we maximize, no? We maximize how you train, how you will train with us. So dili man gud siya dapat nga tanan equipment diyan sa gym is magamit nimo. Depende kung unsa ang imong sport imong giapilan. So kung runner ka, the equipment should be the runner. If you're a fighter or the martial arts, the equipment should be indeed kung unsa gyud ang imong apilan, like jiu-jitsu, kinahanglan siya mga inani, and boxing kinahanglan gloves and bagging. So depende kung unsa ang imong sports nga imong apilan. That's the thing na kinahanglan tag mga other exercise equipment. That's it.
Were the fitness instructions clear and easy to follow?
I mean, since you are doing the sessions one-on-one, easy jud kayo siya to follow. Kay naman ang trainer nimo directly working with you para execute nimo tarong ang mga needed to do, like how to punch, like to jab or straight. So yeah.
Yes, as a methodical fighter, I teach about science of boxing. So gradual learning, step by step. Yan mo na ang dapat kinahanglan para you are protected, no, na dili ma-disgrasya. Because we don't know, wala mi kabalo kung unsa inyong medical assessment. So kung unsa yung mga sakit ninyo, so kinahanglan makabalo mo sa coach, sinaynayon mo pag-training gradually kasi pag amoy tamog bang is you'll be madisgrasya mo kung makabalo yung coaches kung sa inyong angay buhaton first step by step. So I need to know na as a coach, I need to know na kinahanglan matanaw na mo ang inyong progress. So mo na nakanindot diri sa gym, mo na nakanindot kay we are responsible, we are kanang professional about the work, the among position as a coach. Yes.
Did the instructor offer any feedback during the session?
Of course, I mean, there's always a feedback about your progress. It doesn't mean daily, but I think, of course, he can give you feedbacks how you did your training today, how you did your training the past weeks, or how it will go for the next months.
Yes, I can assure you that 100% na makabalo mo sa inyong progress because and in learning in martial arts it need to be what do you call that step by step, no? Step by step man sa nato ginabuhat. So gradual siya ang learning, but inyo mo naon nga kung ang pagkaton sa kabutang is dapat repetition. So balik-balikon hantod kamo ma-perfect ang isa kabutang. So that's in the mentality here. We have the science of boxing, and then I think kwanda kayo diri sa kwan murag familiar kayo ang bonding, familiar ang bonding. But when we train, you are like a soldier. Dili na sa iyo na kanang inamigo ta. So ang mo is i-push mo na mo to your limit and above your limit. So kabalo mi kung kanusa mo na mo i-push. So as a professional trainer, kabalo mi kung kanusa mi na mo i-push, i-suggest na mo sa inyo nga okay, we need to be in advance. Kinahanglan ba na mo nga i-suggest sa inyo nga kinahanglan i-train na to nga sakto kay you are kanang dugay na kay diri sa amo nag-training. So kabalo na mi kung you like to be challenged, like another challenge. So makatag mi ana. So step by step learning.
Do you offer nutritional guidance or support?
Yes, I do. As a fitness instructor for how many years already, I can offer you nutritional guidance. Especially if you need that, we need also some results from your blood work, so I can check if you're what kind of food you can take or whatnot, or how to biking or even do the diet.
Yes, yes. As a amateur and a professional, no, I've been 31 years in boxing. I've been 11 years in as an amateur boxer and 20 years in being a professional boxer. So I know some other things, no. Dili kay sa kay daghan na jud kayo ang pag-about sa self-discipline, about eating, kung sa food intake, how to diet, kung sa buhaton, and then how to protect you in terms of the breathing exercises. So, mo na.
What safety measures are in the gym?
Safety measures is always like if you're doing the sparring, you have a headgear, you have a shin guard, and of course gloves.
Yes.
Mud guard also.
Yeah. Pag naad mo diri sa gym, in the gym is they have rules and regulations to follow. So, nindot ang gym kay unsay ka ng rules diri sa gym na dapat masunod sa tanan kay na may naka-appoint na tao para makabantay. Not like bantayan ang mga clients, but bantayan ang mga trainers kung unsa ang mga gipambuhat, no? Gipambuhat bitaw kung good ba ang ilang assessment sa mga clients. So, mali na kanindot diri sa gym kay murag community na mabantayan sa naigabantay sa coach, ang coach mo na katong nagbantay na nagbantay na head. So, mali na kanindot.
Personal opinion, what should serve as motivation to maintain your fitness routine?
Ang motivation na ang fitness routine is makadako kay tabang sa health, no? Dako kay dili ra man gid imong sa imong just like sa imong health kundi pati na sa imong physical, mental, emotional, and especially spiritual, because we're not only kanang nag-train lang diri, but we build also the spiritual kasi mamasa na kanang kinanglanon as a human being, no, as a practitioner. Kay kung practitioner mo ka in martial arts, you need to be more responsible, and you are kanang tawag tinitingala ka sa uban ba, like mga young kids or mga kuan gihimo kanilang kanang dibali icon. So you need to be more responsible, makakaton mo og self-discipline og being responsible. Yeah.
What are the gym hours and peak times?
Okay, gym hours are always Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
State the address.
So the address is just Tumlok Talisay, nearby Tams Petroleum Gasoline Station.
Okay, that's all.
Good.